What are you doing? Hmm?
Those are bugs on there. They're nasty.
They're what?
Bugs. Ew, those are bugs. Those are bugs, Mommy.
You don't like the bugs?
No, they're nasty.
They're nasty.
They can kill me.
They cannot kill you.
They can walk on me on my head. They can get down on the dirt. They get on this. On that broom.
Then you can smash them.
Hmm?
You can smash the bugs.
Don't worry, bugs. But they're not going away with their mommy. They're going in right there.
Mm-hmm.
On that dirt.
Excuse me, DJ, come back here. DJ.